In this video, I will share a little trick on how to convert a straight line into a curved line. There are two ways to change it. First, activate Pen tool. Hold Alt and drag the center of the line. The second way, activate the curvature tool. Click the middle of the line and drag. If the line is auto-connected like this, press Escape on the keyboard. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.